6 steps to becoming a TPM apprentice. Step 1. Talk to us. Look at our apprenticeship vacancy page and see if there's something of interest. Then get in touch. We've got experts waiting to speak to you. Call, email, or chat to us online. We'll arrange a date for you to come in and meet us. Step 2. Meet with us. When we meet, we'll explain everything about apprenticeships. You'll complete an application form with details about your education, any special support you need, and what career you're after. Step 3. Applying and interviews. We'll find you an apprenticeship vacancy with a local employer and help you apply. When you get an interview, we'll help you prepare. Step 4. Initial assessment. You'll do a simple assessment on a computer. This tells us what support to build into your apprenticeship and ensures you don't waste time learning skills you already have. Step 5. Induction. At this introduction to your apprenticeship, we outline what's expected of you and what support you can get. Step 6. Start apprenticeship. You usually start working with your apprenticeship employer first. Once employed, you get a timetable showing you when to come to TPM for training sessions. TPM tutors visit you regularly at work to support you and help you progress.